UV lights are everywhere today. They're being used by hospitals, subway systems, and even some airlines to clean their germs. Portable lights are being used by consumers for their own household goods such as toothbrushes and other small items. But many of these devices are now on back order, or too small or weak for bigger jobs like sanitizing and groceries. In this edition of Fixaroo, we'll show you how to make your own powerful UV wand for less than $30. First, a quick lesson on UV lights. There are three categories of ultraviolet light. You probably know about UVA and UVB from your sunscreen. UVC light, which is what we want, is at the shortest end of the UV spectrum and causes the most damage to our DNA. Scientists, however, discovered that UVC light can kill microorganisms and it is commonly used today to sanitize drinking water, aquariums, and medical equipment without harsh chemicals. Exposure to UVC light, however, can harm your eyes and skin, so it's important to wear the proper safety equipment. We'll tell you more about that later, or check our links below. The idea for this lamp is to build something powerful and portable, and something that can be used to disinfect larger household items. A utility lamp like this is perfect. But before we install the bulb, we need to make a few modifications. UVC light does not travel through plastic, so we need to cut an opening in front of the bulb. First, we need to take the light apart. The hardest part about this is cutting a slit in the front of the plastic. We're going to be using a Dremel with a cutoff wheel to do this. Next, let's block the areas we don't want UVC light to escape from. For that, we will use foil insulation tape. See that? Finally, we're going to install the UVC bulb. To find the correct bulb and wattage, you can check the link below. Our cover, and line up the holes. Install the first part of the clip. Install the second part. And same thing on the other side. Before we turn this on, wear goggles that are rated specifically to block UVC light. See the links below for the right ones to buy. And let's not take any chances. Wear gloves, long sleeves, and cover your toes. Now let's turn this on and start disinfecting. Thanks for watching another episode of Fixaroo. Check below for more information and links to products.